If you're harvesting your tomatoes and you're allowing them to ripen on the counter, don't let them touch. Put them on a plate or a tray and kind of keep them separated. A lot of people will take them and put them directly in the fridge. But the thing about this is, while it does preserve the tomato a little bit, that cold of the fridge can actually dull the flavor. So we don't want to put them in the fridge until we need to, like until we need to preserve them and keep them from going bad. But the best option really is to allow them to ripen on the counter, to allow them to sit on the counter until you're ready to use them.